All right, guys, I'm gonna bring you in on something unique for me today. I don't get to do a lot of messed up carpets, so when I bought this LX 470 that many of you on the podcast and other places have probably heard, is that what I'm going to do here is I'm going to be able to demonstrate our carpet system, complete and enzyme, show you how they work. I'll bring you guys in a little bit on doing something that I don't get to do a lot, which is these beat up carpets. And so going to show you how this works. You don't need a lot of tools. Basically, our workaholic towels. I got the red ones so I can show you. Got a little bit of a drill brush, but you can have a hand brush if you want. So one of the great things about this system is it is pH balanced. So there's a lot of carpet systems, and this is kind of nerdy stuff, I get it, guys, but a lot of people are telling you, you know, take the alkaline really high and then use this acidic cleaner and that'll balance your carpet out. That is very outdated technology. Our system is completely balanced. There is no issue where you got to worry about, you know, stuff wicking back up or anything like that. So you're going to see that I have been beating up the carpets in this, especially on the driver's side. I have not cleaned it since I've gotten it. So I believe I picked it up early January. Here we're sitting in the month of March. I purposely, because I don't do a lot of cars like this, have left it this way so I can show you how the system works. So guys, thank you for coming along and let's go check it out. All right guys, just gonna bring you in these. I'm just trying to do my best here to show you the carpet. I just got these brand new mats. We just went through cleaning up all the carpet, or the under carpet I should say, the base level carpet, but look at that. Nice and plush. I don't know if it's easy to see on camera or not. Matches well. I'll bring you in. And, you know, we tried to work with another mat company, didn't work out, but I got to tell you, I'm pretty impressed with how plush and how, rigid these are for carpet. So I'll let you know how they wear, and we're going to get them in the car. All right, so you guys can see how dirty this is. So check this out. Going to take our enzyme product. I just like to label the top of my bottles. It's going to soak it down. If you have any oil-based stains, protein-based stains, nice to go in with this first. Don't want to oversaturate it. We just want to give this some working time. Going to take a little drill brush. You don't need this, okay? But I'm going to go ahead and use it just to kind of scrub up this a little bit. Let's go ahead and take, okay. Look at that, that's just with enzyme. These are already, I mean, it's a 22-year-old vehicle here, guys. That the carpets, and this is kind of unfortunate, if you watched our tint video, we were talking about, they used a really, really, really harsh cleaner to clean this vehicle up, whoever detailed it to get ready for sale. And it was unfortunate because what would happen is the carpet got really crusty. So now just using the towel, this is just slightly damp. Okay, so look at that. Finished result. Missed a tiny spot. Go ahead. Look at that. You're seeing all this like really hard. I gotta use peroxide and I gotta use this kind of cleaner and that kind of cleaner, and no, you just have to use a little enzyme. Then we're gonna go in with our complete product. Incomplete, I'm going to kind of spray. This is not balancing, it's just attacking different stains, okay? So if you're being told you have to balance your carpet system, you need to find a new carpet system. You can choose a different brush, guys. That's fine. This is just a little tiny brush I had. I didn't want anybody to think you could easily do this by hand with a brush. I didn't want anybody to think I had some kind of special brush. I mean, look, this is nothing special about it. There you go. And just slightly damp. You know, like that. There you go. So you guys can see. That's all the dirt we pulled up right there. Hopefully you can see the difference. And it's just, look, I let this go for 2 months. Daily driven. And that's the power of just a really common sense carpet cleaner. All right, guys, here's the finished product with the new mats installed. These mats look great, match really well. I'll show you the back runner, which I'm actually surprised how good this back runner fits. Fits in there. It's a little dark in here. Obviously, I'm just inside. I don't have a bar light. But check out this. The cargo area fits really nicely. What a color match. This is the thickest mat you can buy. I kind of like that AMG feel. You know, I know it's a 2003 Lexus, but and some of that stuff will come out. But look at the back trunk area. Look how nice that came out. I cleaned every underside where we put these carpets. All of these have been cleaned. And these are just the installed on top of freshly cleaned and detailed up. But look at that. Looks really, really good. I'm pretty excited. This is the right move for me. You know, we all have to do what we think is right for us. All right, guys, that brings a close to setting up my new mats, cleaning the carpets in this LX 470. I've been loving driving this thing, but these mats fit me. I know there's a lot of guys that are going to go for WeatherTechs or things like that. And I'll say this, it doesn't fit me personally. It's just not the thing that I wanted for this vehicle. I do have the WeatherTech style mats in another vehicle that I own, but I'm going to be the only one in this. And giving it that sort of like luxurious feel. You know, this was a luxury car back then. And so for me personally, it's one of those things that I'm really enjoying driving this vehicle, and these new floor mats are going to make it even better for me. So I hope everybody out there has a great day, and I brought you in on a small little project here, finishing on a Saturday, just all by myself in the shop. See you guys soon.